Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the network Wi-Fi password in the Motorola phone and your personal hotspot Wi-Fi password. So we're going to start from the Wi-Fi password. Just open your internet settings, go to your network and tap on this little pen icon. And as you can see, there is a place where you can type your new password to the network. You can also use the forget option and connect it again. Okay, that was our network password, and now it's time for a personal hotspot. So go to the network and internet, look for the hotspot and tethering, and now just tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn it on and go to the hotspot password. Change it here, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.